Most CISOs believe they're securing AI the right way. They focus on access controls, vendor risk, and endpoints monitoring. But none of that addresses the core issue. The real risk isn't just where the model runs or who can use it. It's how it learns, what it retains, and what it reveals. AI doesn't behave like traditional systems. And if you apply traditional controls, you'll miss the risks that matter most. Traditional security was built for systems that don't change. You could rely on stable users, consistent inputs, and predictable outcomes. AI doesn't give you that. It shifts based on how it's used and what it fed. The more it runs, the less predictable it becomes. A model might leak sensitive data in a summary. It might surface patterns from old prompts no one audited. It can generate new content pulled from customer record, internal docs, or code fragments without ever querying a database. This is where Gartner's AI TRiSM framework becomes essential: trust, risk, and security management. It's more than a tool, it's a shift in mindset. The question isn't just whether the system is secure. It's whether you know what data trained the model, whether you understand what shapes its responses, whether you can trace a decision back to its source, and most importantly, what happens when the model fails. TRiSM treats AI as an unpredictable partner. Without lineage, explainability, and enforceable policies, it turns into a black box with admin access. If your teams are rolling out GenAI, or your vendor are embedding it into their platforms, there are steps you can skip. Start by getting clear visibility into which models are in use and what data they were trained on. Set policies for how internal data can be used and where the data is allowed to go. Monitor AI outputs with the same scrutiny you apply to sensitive exports. And make ownership explicit. Someone has to be accountable when a model crosses the line. This isn't about shutting AI down. It's about recognizing it as a shifting risk surface, one that changes every time someone interacts with it. AI TRiSM is the only framework built for systems that think, evolve, and make decisions at scale. If you're still applying legacy controls to generative AI, you're focused on the wrong threats. The CISOs who lead in this space won't be the ones making the most noise. They'll be the one who brought traceability.